Greetings and salutations, my name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I am going to modify a dollar store sink strainer to do a sink strainer pour. But I want to do mine a little bit differently. I've seen numerous sink strainer pours and I've never seen one where they elevated it so the paint had a chance to more dribble out than just kind of move out. I want to see what kind of results I get. I got everything ready, so let's get down to it. So I got this strainer from the dollar store. At the same time I got these cups. These are little shot glasses. These are clear and kind of hard plastic. These are more like a mini red Solo cup. I mean, they're cute. I really like them. So I was thinking, I bought both of them because I couldn't tell in the package which one would be a better suit, because I didn't know these were really squishy, because they aren't really squishy when they're all stacked together. But these are really squishy like a Solo cup is. Well, the knockoff version of a Solo cup. But these are the harder plastic, and I think I'm going to go with these. So let's get these out of my way. I'll find another use for you later, maybe Jello shots. So I got the sink strainer, and if this is anything like my sink strainer that I got at my apartment, it comes apart fairly easily. Yeah. So if you're gonna use a sink strainer, use the one that you get at Home Depot or Menards or Lowe's. Don't use the one at the dollar store. So I think I do have pliers. I'm going to pull out this center piece right here. There we go. And I'm going to give it a couple of whacks with the rubber mallet. Actually, let's get the rubber piece back. That's not doing what I want it to do. There we go. It's not perfectly flat, that's why it's in my bag of tricks. Try that too. Okay. I got a washer here. Oh yeah, that's much better. I just wanted to get it. There was a, you can still see it. There's a slight ridge right there. I was trying to, it's not as bad as it was. I'm just trying to get it as flat as possible. But I'm thinking, because I'm going to put the glue on here first. Just place it on there and then slide it around until it's centered. Do it quickly so we don't end up with a puddle of glue on the other side. We're going to smooth this out. Well, it's still hot. And no, I don't have feeling in my fingers, so I did moisten my finger with a little bit of water. We're good. So that'll elevate it up, and the paint will drip down, puddle, and roll. So it is the theory. So if it works, you'll get to see this video. If it doesn't, then this one's gonna go on the cutting room floor. Alright. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video and like to see more of my crazy ideas, please click the subscribe button and click that little notification bell, and that'll let you know when we upload new content or go live on our channel. Thanks for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Peace, love, and happiness.